Hey guys, got an interesting package in the mail today. Um, so I don't know if you've heard of RAZE energy drink or not, but it's the only energy drink that doesn't make me feel like dog shit afterwards. So I figured I would kind of help push their brand a little bit. Check this out. They sent me a care package to help me out. Get ready, the day your life will change forever. Snap a picture of your case, blah blah blah. Okay. RAZE energy drink. A little dark in here. Absolutely love RAZE drinks. Holy shit, love RAZE. I like a lot of sour gummy worms. This is my favorite. Okay, so this is just testimonials. This is the bottom of the RAZE box. Sorry if you saw this first. Okay. That's not what I saw first. And the shipping label. Okay. Let's get this cracked open and see what's inside it. This is one of my favorites, by the way. Air pockets that you cannot pop. Okay. I see 4 cans of RAZE here. A little dirty, but not too bad. It's just packaging shit. Voodoo, I've already tried this one. It tastes kind of like orange candy, but carbonated. Baja Lime, that's my personal favorite. I've already tried that one. Sour gummy worms. I don't like sour gummy worms to begin with. I'll probably give this to a friend and get their ideas on it. Galaxy Burst. I've been wanting to try this one, but my local supplier, which is an hour away from me, has been out. So I'm excited to try that. Broken Arrow pre-workout fuel. I don't normally do workouts, but I'll probably take some of this before I go into the shop and do some machine work, because that gets heavy. Some more Broken Arrow. Sour gummy worms flavored. More Broken Arrow. Spiked Punch. That first one I pulled out was Lime Ice. Hypersleep. Performance Sleep Aid. Not a lot of people know this, but I actually have a lot of issues sleeping, so I'm going to try this for sure. Another Hypersleep. First one is vanilla, this one is cinnamon swirl. RAZE on the go. This is where you just pour it into a bottle of water and mix it. Got the Voodoo there. RAZE on the go, Galaxy Burst. See some strings here. What's this? RAZE Energy backpack. Hashtag RAZE Rebellion. Another Broken Arrow Hailstorm. That's a flavor I haven't heard of yet. Let's give that a try. Looks like that's it. Pull the honeycomb out and make sure. Oh, one more thing. RAZE Rebellion wristband. I don't wear a lot of wristbands. I might do a giveaway on this. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it goes. I'm excited to get into this and try it. RAZE, thanks a lot. Have a good one, guys.